Okay, let's move on to the US pre-market movers and levels.
Okay, well, the first pre-market mover is a stock called Amberella. Sounds like a Rihanna song, but it's not. AMBA is the ticker here in the US, $82.20 and down 8.2% pre-market. The company guided in line on its earnings call, but the market had hoped for further growth from this video chip maker, and their chipsets are in all sorts of portable devices, drones, portable video cameras and alike, and it's been a growth sector, and I think the market, the market doesn't like the idea that it may actually be stalling now, that growth. And it's also notable that GoPro, one of the other players in that action video space, shall we call it, is also weaker pre-market. And then a stock moving the other way, Wright Medical, WMGI, the ticker there in the States, $25.30. They are up 10.38% pre-market. A nice simple story here. They've got FDA, or Federal Drug Administration, approval for their Augment bone graft treatment, and the market likes that, obviously, so up they go. And then in terms of levels to watch today, no great shakes, despite the swings in European equities this morning, all within the range of the levels that we picked out yesterday. So really just changed them slightly, but 60.50 now on the downside in the FTSE, and 61.49 to the upside. We just trimmed that to make it a little bit more palatable. The DAX 99.28, so we're still on the downside below that 10,000 handle, plays 10,130 on the upside. And over in the US, after another sharp decline yesterday, 1903 now is the downside on the S&P, plays 1926 to the upside. And for the Dow, 15,980 on the downside, plays 16,130 to the upside. The indications for US markets, by the way, are for them to open slightly better and recoup some of yesterday's losses. And then if we move to the currencies, no real change here in euro dollar. 112.30 on the downside, plays 113.04 to the upside, so very much as you were. The Aussie has slipped a bit again today, so now 69.47 is our downside level, plays 70.30 on the upside. I think a proper break below 70 even will be quite a psychological blow to the Aussie, but we'll have to see what happens there. Dollar yen seems to have settled around 120 for the moment, so 119.75 on the downside, playing 120.40 on the upside. And cable hasn't finished, obviously, retreating at the moment. 152.25 now, our downside level, plays 152.95 to the upside, and it seems every day we're getting
something sinister going on there.
There isn't, yeah, there is. It's I'm not privy to what that is, but the weakness in cable is very surprising indeed.